In this video, I will show you how to stop background apps in Windows 11. To get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come and click onto the Windows Start icon in your taskbar at the bottom. From here, you want to open up your settings. If you don't see this here, you can use the search box, type settings, and then open that up underneath best match. Now, once your settings is opened, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto apps. And what you want to do from here is click onto installed apps. Now, what you can do is look for any apps on here which are running in the background. So you can either scroll through or use the search box at the top. So what I'm going to do is search for the Snipping Tool app. And what you can actually do is come to the right hand side of the app, click onto the three dots where it says more options, and then click onto advanced options. Now on this screen, you're going to see a section about background app permissions. What you want to do is click onto the drop down box and change this to never, which is going to stop that app from running in the background. Another thing I would recommend doing from here is if you come back and click onto apps, and in the app section, you want to click onto the startup option. Now what that's going to do is show you all the apps that automatically start up when you start your Windows 11 computer or laptop. And of course, when these start up, they're automatically going to be running in the background. So what I would recommend doing is disabling any of these that you don't really use. So if there's any turns on that you don't really use, you can turn the switch off to stop this from running in the background and stop it from starting up when you start your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So that is how to stop background apps in Windows 11. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows 11 and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.